I'm Jay Breimhorst, and this is my wife, Jeannette Breimhorst.
We had many people come and join us for our weekend up at the Bugbee Hive Resort. We counted 8 states that everyone came from. Many family and friends were able to join us.
The resort got great reviews. Our families trusted us and knew that we were going to have a good weekend, but
I think the resort definitely outshined anything Jay and I could have tried to describe. And Jay has a lot of really good adjectives that he was using. But Bugbee Hive Resort just gives us both a little bit of a speechless moment.
Paul, this is your place. I know it means a lot to you. It's got a huge family tradition for you. And I think we've started a great family tradition for ourselves here at the Bugbee Hive Resort. Bugbee Hive Resort, perfect place for a wedding, perfect place for us to spend a vacation, and I know we will be back a couple of times in our married life together. I love you, babe.